back here on the Galaxie, getting ready to pull the distributor out. We've marked number 1. So we're gonna pull this out, get our wires off. We gotta change our carbs too, because Wick's got new carbs. I'll show you that in a little bit. Wick, you did a little shopping?
Little shopping.
Little shopping. We are at TDC. Distributor's gonna come out. Carbs are gonna come off. All right, we have our new distributor. It's Protronix flamethrower with the factory style cast appearance, which is good. So we're gonna get rid of this vacuum advance. All right, so Wick and I had to get creative because no one makes a lockout plate for this thing that fits right. So, little drill, little pop rivet, and made our own lockout without welding it.
And voila.
Wick, we're fancy.
We are. Another custom product.
Yeah, what else is new?
Yeah.
Every single build is, let's make custom shit.
It does seem like it. So now we're going to customize the housing.
Yep.
And get rid of this
The vacuum titties.
vacuum titties that won't fit.
So that way it'll go in. Cool.
Mm-hmm.
So removing the old carburetors, which aren't correct because they both have chokes. Odd. Alright, front carbs off. Getting ready to pull the rear carb. I'll clean up a little bit down here. And then assemble. Wick's been doing a little grinding. Gonna make her look good and appear fairly original. Wick, what you got there?
Got some badass bad innovations. Factory Ford wire separators for 10mm wires. Pretty cool. Only ones I found that were actually like this. It'll go on those valve covers.
It's about damn time somebody made factory style separators.
These guys are pretty good. You get them black, blue, or red. I got black because we're going for the stock look.
Stock-ish.
Stock-ish look. Oversized stock look, but then everything on this engine's oversized, so I think these
Will look normal.
oversized plug wires will look pretty normal.
That's cool. Look, just like factory.
I guess it's really supposed to go the other way. No, I guess it doesn't matter.
Look at that.
They're a little different than the factory ones, but they look as good as you're gonna get.
Yeah, that's better than a mountain of zip ties holding shit together.
Uh-huh.
Well, they got the dimples and everything.
And then you get these two guys. And then I bought another set of them, just in case.
Yeah, I am fucking with shit.
You fuck it up now?
No, it's good.
After it's sitting on there all nice and shit.
Wick's giving me hell. That looks so good. Pretty new carb. This would be the front carb. Pretty. Wick's over there finishing up the distributor modification.
Making up a distributor.
Yeah. Getting there.
I think I gotta do a skin coat.
Looking good, little filler. It's gonna be nice.
It'll be good as new. Nobody's gonna know.
Except everybody that watches this.
Well, yeah, all those people will know.
Yeah, so like 5 people are gonna know. Whatever. At least we have fun.
Yeah, that's it.
Fresh
Yeah, it looks good
stones.
from the inside.
Ooh, glare.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Looks good to me. I don't see nothing.
No hooky on the outside, but let me put it back
Put
like
that to the
that.
back. We'll be fine.
Nobody will ever be back there.
Yeah. And that'll be ready to roll. What I'll do is I'm gonna set the cap on it before we, just make a mark on it.
Yeah.
Look at that. Let's get ready to assemble. And the new throttle linkage. Someone didn't drill holes right. Way to go. Pretty dual quads. Where they belong. Looking good. Gonna keep working on this linkage, get everything set up. All right, we spent some time, got all of our throttle linkages in and set up. I just need to get the return spring in on the back side. We've stabbed our new distributor. So it's in and it's on our mark for number 1. So we're going to start with our plug wires, get that situation under control, get our return spring in, hook up some fuel lines, and away we go. Mocking up our plug wires, and I'm really not a fan of how they fit, but we'll go through them. Just because there's only 3 different lengths, and yeah, it's kind of weird. It's not neat and tidy how I like it.